Good night, teacher. My name is Jordi Díaz Rosales. My diálogo. Hello, excuse me. Call you please. El met Ian Tours there in Chiclayo and I want to visit Oyotun. Wow, can I get there? Of course, Oyotun is a beautiful district near Chiclayo. You can get there by bus or by car. Oh, nice. Where can I take the bus? You can go to the Etenbus station. It's near Bolognesi Avenue, next to the gas station. Take a bus that goes to Uyotun. The tricks takes about 1 hour. Okay, and how much is the ticket? It's not very expensive. It costs around 5 rosoles. Thanks, great. Are there many buses? Yes, there are a lot of buses. During the day, you can find one every 30 minutes. Perfect. When I arrive in Oyoton, what place can I visit? There are many nice places. You can visit the Cueva de los Guachumas, the Petroglifos de Oyotún, and the San Francisco de Asís Cruise. They are near the main scar. Wow, that sounds interesting. Are they far from the bus station? No, they aren't. The main scar in only 2 blocks from the station. Go straight through, ring at the pharmacy, and you find it. Thank you very much for your help. You re welcome. Enjoy your trip to Uyutun and have a nice day. Thanks, teacher.